So Dennis is pulling potatoes today while I'm working. Some beautiful potatoes. Look at that.
I don't know how deep they are.
This is one of my favorite things to do is pull the potatoes, but I'm working today. Don't cover that one back up. Beautiful, beautiful red potatoes.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, what a big one. Oh my. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh wow.
Make sure they're not real deep.
Right.
Well, there's one box full. All right, that's all out of 15, maybe 20 feet. Whew. Oh gosh, heavy. What are you doing?
I'm getting ready to harvest these potatoes. What are you doing?
Because I dug a whole bunch. Now it's your turn to dig some potatoes?
Yeah, but I like digging the potatoes.
Okay. Well, I'm going to sit in this chair and watch you.
You just take it easy there.
I'm going to.
Leave it to me. You work all day. Got my knee pads on.
Knee pads on.
I'm ready to go.
All right. I already got you a box too.
Right. We're going to start pulling these closest to us first.
Yeah, you can just make a pile of that. Oh man.
Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, just make a pile. I'll get them up tomorrow.
Nice.
Starting to think I didn't plant anything but red.
We got a lot of red, that's for sure. These bricks have ants all over them.
I ain't gonna hurt you.
I don't like them. You know that. Now they're everywhere. Maybe I was dumb to move that, huh? As long as they don't start biting me. Like you.
Well, they itch, so.
I'm gonna gonna get some of these pulled before I start digging down in the dirt.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Ooh, that sun beating down right at me right now, ain't it?
Look at there. You gonna be able to reach the back by the fence?
I'll get back there. Trying to keep the mulch out of my knee pads because I know that's gonna hurt. Whoa, look at that one.
Wow.
Nice. What you doing, Rosie Posy? I'll probably do a little section here and then maybe go to the other end.
Okay.
And see what colors we've got down there, what kind of potatoes, because I would like to see.
Make sure you dig in this corner though.
Yeah, I will. I'm just getting the obvious ones. I'd like to see if we've got any of those fingerlings ready. Well,
Yeah.
I know they're going to be ready if there's any there. Booger. Bent my nail backwards. Through my glove.
Wow. Whoa.
Oh, look at that, baby.
Wow. You may come across the seed potato if you keep digging too far, and it's gonna be rotten and mushy.
Yeah, we did that before. Beautiful. Can't wait to cook them up. And when we start cooking some up, I'll bring y'all along and you can see what recipes I use for cooking some of these potatoes up. Different things with different potatoes. We like the red potatoes. We like them like garlic potatoes with some garlic and butter, chives, different things like that. Throwing dirt at you, huh? Come on, little babies.
Hey. You just threw that over there.
Sorry about that, Peppers. I got a root right here. Woo! Did y'all see that lizard?
If she'd have seen it sooner, y'all, she'd already been back in the house.
Is that the seed potato?
No.
Nope, just got a growth on it.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo! I don't like the critters that much, y'all. Make sure there's no ants crawling all over me because I do not like ants. They're sneaky and they get everywhere. Oh, wait. Get that out of there before somebody fusses at me.
Look at that.
Nice. Real nice.
Now they're going to be all the way up against that
I know
board.
it. Hey, these are yellow,
Huh.
gold, whatever you want to call them. How's this girl supposed to get back there?
I usually just sit on the edge of the wood.
Yeah, that'll hurt my tush. I'm trying to shake some of the dirt off of them.
There's one. A little one.
Ittle bitty.
There goes soup. Those are soup potatoes.
Soup potatoes. Fancy. Some good ones. Yeah, baby. Note to whoever's watching. Don't do it after dinner. Don't bend over like this after dinner.
I guess we should say today is what, June the 3rd?
June 3rd.
And these
3rd.
potatoes were planted on St. Patrick's Day.
Are those some bad ones?
Yeah. And they take about 90 days, so it's been about 90 days. Plus, the plants will tell you when they're done, and these plants are starting to turn yellow and die off. And that's a good way to tell when they're ready to go. Or ready to get dug.
Ready for harvest. Boy, these yellow ones are teeny tiny, babe. So, it's all that's...
Well, we can make soup out of them.
Throw them in the soup. Some are deeper than others.
Yeah.
Pause it.
Okay, we're going to scoot down to the other end where I know that I planted the fingerling potatoes. I want to see what they look like.
These?
Yep.
Alright.
I'll throw them over there.
Where do you want me to throw them?
Throw them here so I can get them up.
Hey,
Hey, hey, hey, look at there. Here, show me. Yeah.
Not bad at all. They look good.
Look good.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That one looks like ginger root.
Yeah.
Look at that cluster.
Wow.
Good little cluster. Now, one of the reasons we're not using any tools to help us dig is because the potatoes are so soft, the skin is so soft that it'll damage and scratch them. So we don't want them damaged or scratched. So trying to be careful with them. Look at that, that's a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
And I have not even dug down in here yet.
And these potatoes that we're harvesting are all store-bought potatoes that I just bought them, stuck them in a box, stuck them under the table, and just forgot about them and let them put their eyes out. These fingerlings, I actually bought these at Publix. I bought 2 bags, opened them and just put them in the box and just let them start growing until it was time to put them in the ground. So you don't have to go online and buy real seed potatoes. These work just fine. I've been buying store potatoes for a long time. Some red ones.
Yep, looks like a combo over here. Whew. Right here, and all I've really done, I haven't dug anything. I've just pulled the plants.
So now it's the fun part.
So now is the digging part. As long as I don't hit any of those red ants like we had in the other bed.
Well, there were some in this bed too.
Oh, great.
No, I think I got them all.
I guess we'll find out in a minute, won't we? There are a few red potatoes in here, oddly enough. That is a rotten one right there.
Yeah, just throw it out.
I can't get hadn't gotten to the actual one yet. Look at that.
Yeah. That's awesome.
I can just feel them.
I'm starting to think that potatoes are my favorite thing to try to
You
grow.
know they are mine. Since we started doing potatoes, that's been my favorite thing to do. To harvest, anyway. But there's not a lot of work planting them either.
No, once they're in the ground, you just forget about them.
And I sweat dripping down my face. Worm.
Yeah, these beds are real healthy.
You just got a mixture right here, babe.
Well,
This is the South. We like our potatoes.
yeah.
Just about any way we can get them. So you can see on that one, I skinned it a little bit.
Yeah, we'll just have to see how it does. How it heals or something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I was doing the same thing.
You try to be careful, but you're also trying to dig dirt.
Just a worm.
I know what it is. That's not a worm.
It's
That's
just
a millipede.
just one of them 1,000-legger things.
I don't like them. I'll let them have these potatoes. Y'all gonna see me running in the house in a minute. Alright. It's about all the plants I dug, isn't it?
Yep.
Is there any other ones you planted?
All these
No, I mean different varieties.
should be.
You just don't know what you did where.
All right, that's where we're going to call it a day.
Y'all have a good one.
One box here. I already got one full box and 2 baskets full.
Early morning start.
Well, it's supposed to rain later.
Allergy season here in the south, ain't it, baby?
Yeah.
Got that section left to do, and then we'll be done pulling potatoes. So we probably got over 100 pounds at this point of potatoes. Those are some little yellow or gold potatoes, whatever you call them. Oh, I see some purple in there. See some purple potatoes in that box. Looky there. All right.